Okay, FM 101.7.
Yanko Dr. Da Costa, Abwajida Costa, Honomy, Director of Health Promotions, in charge of risk communication about COVID-19 Ghana Health Service. Doc, and you may good evening.
Good evening, Afia.
Now, Doc, who are you there?
Nyamiadum. Me hu ye pa na moswe.
Oh, Madam Doc, Mumpa Boyani, Cheche Kakra Kriane, sanitizer, ye dear Jarisa, Auntie, no dear, Ayara. Now, when you are Doctor for any nurse for no way.
Oh, Nyamiadum, omo hu ye. But before I start, my minfa or fidie, so na min share Ghana phone na min share with T4. Na min da o mwase wo the corporation omo egusto de mayen yenya accommodate for na ye juma any military service ni obia or front line Samray abine deploy say omo o my Ghana ho ban e COVID-19.
Doc, me person me busa mo health promotion for no madwuma poten pa anything but before no Mr. Uni anoma pomri adwuma for amunyina mo som Ghana sa abre mo dem ho abo afore na mo gina okon ano sense owo ne nkon de atete wa ama wodo bi fa doctors and nurses for mo ye COVID-19 ye adwuma no owo ne nkon mo dodo yesen. Hello doc, na me busa say uni anom doctors ne nurses amo ye adwuma yi mo dodo yesen mo amo ye COVID-19 ho adwuma no.
Oh, say across the country, all facilities, all Ghana Health Service facilities, including the private facilities, are also working. We need the actual number in terms of the numbers. Ghana nurses but we, the Ghana Health Service, there, we've actually put all our nurses and doctors on alert. Everyone is, in fact, they say Krausha, aim they say, I see a treaty patient there as a suspect. And see, prepare pa, and yet dia ye jai biya mano akamuye. A queen be a befaso a Ghana for home by the free COVID-19 whom be a befa.
Doc, na mo boy a home by no. Na ya de do. More swear, more health workers and by Boben more. Apart from PPE, yes,
me that say. If you say ye training no, study day. Training I had to say soldier ni then I so say a drum re so saving the pankwan so konako saving the pankwan and see ye were protocol ye were nyoma say ye faso na the boni pa hon and buy now it did say ebia ye so kwa patient I'll be nya pp e dey hia ye akade de be ye adwuma nya akade ne de be ye adwuma ne bia me so say obiabewe na kande ne so nyame adom eguso enti ene the good news ne say Ghana ban asset information center say so we a health worker and as we a health institution na say wo feedback bi ewo pp no ho a pressa line no na immediately na yenye den yen validated me embeboa enti bibia enam ewo na kwan mu a ekoso me sure say santi say ya ye dia ban na meda honorable Opon Kroma ase ewo adwuma pa obo ene onini nua pious adwuma omobo na omode aboa COVID-19 no eso pa yi omo provide a platform for the health services to actually work and disseminate the information very well. In the other say, and I'm also a more yet to say if you are station, no, any stations that work down in more boy in I said that in any way, may the Bama
you doc, and a old and penny form near the Abaso, our Casa Modiamuye. All right, was a binum so abase, nano crademic is a ya say PPs no, omu here be. We are aware of PPs who are honchra. Honum ye hu se nkofo bebra bremu bi president mama bremu bi MPP fo mpani fo akase Canada Japan abremu bi nom ne ade nti ade na ahokyere san wo meamia a nkofo kan
afia me da say the mechanic say you see ade we a global pandemic and obviously no there is who ne say Diana countries be or what like any countries be in fact and UK news staff ne crash here PPs yeah war mind we say we war mind Ghana yeah be bit me be say ebebo yen your frontliners no ho ban and Oshe Omampeni ene omu edi animuna they are committed to help. In fact Oshe fund ya omasetia ebi mo de donation by ene Barclays former Barclays almost the donation by almost specifically all percent caught into testing kits and PPEs. And certainly yebeye formu diani aye. There are so many innovations that we you see our manpenini a briefing on near airport na in the other interministerial we say no. Na omo my innovation the things to do ne honkone aba so to me no I believe say yegusu aye de betimi bia but yen taking into the context say e wiase nyina no enioma na ye hia wa ha say no omo hina de hia bi in fact enioma ya ye hia na free China na den eba China so and what are the AC and certainly you know say initially there was global shortage and yeguso ye distributed bebre betimi aka say adia ye be kosonia boy homode enti na make say complaints na airba ni we ya set up an information center ye be receive feedback then we respond accordingly. See, the military is helping. They are distributing near a war, say for contact tracing alone. I certainly know, say, there was about 17,000 PPEs deployed. And the military, guso friends, teacher, Emma contact tracers, no more Jumano, field, anyway. See, if me sure say, ye support ne from a buy ho. Ye hear me say, Ghana for Obekoso abuayen na momye nyina ye be spread calm but not fear. So said ye devia ye kano na moi and central for no go ahead of professionals no na momye nyina be train said ye be de betu ga said ye ne anope ye the health minister LED ye so unsa me catch say ya offer training ama we say omo about training on be hu say protocols na no an ye follow ye health minister and then oba press conference oba be announce nioma ye gusu den ye figures ne ho nkone aban 90 so no clear ma oman ni nyina enye say central for no akọ field no akọ frontliners for no akọ busa omo say dey na mo ye na fe mu dia tudwa na na a creative fear and panic. So let's be behind the healthcare professionals no. And ye dika say they want frame enumere our information if you are because we want information and we will be of public education will be the bema the so who say kuna ye kono a thematic team this is me say me lead risk communication and the social mobilization in two frame ya me member of public education risk communication and social mobilization up to date and your my head so per case management ye will be a only dear no so open logistics away ye will be a only dear and to stand here say adie no so what I say this all front line who be only dear laba Professor Ampofo Lunguchi so oko be our front line na say oh no oye adwuma no kokobusa an information if you onya the accurate information and as that a small report here na say ama enioma no ense da enye den enkoso papa
ya de unse ene mo na ye adwuma
ese me pamochel ese yesremu be behind the experts don't be ahead of the experts na ye nyina ye nkoso ne enye adwuma emwa oman Ghana but let me commend the media we say mo yard pa mo nkoso na munye sa na mo nkoso na mo support ye na me record ye managing information ye report it accurately. That's my way to report it accurately.
And you doc efa eno entonche is good say the nyina ni me yakra de yakada da say eno nyina ye partners ko media for make us say ye nuanom CNN for America kra Chris Como wanya bi ya test no positive nti anya ade a ye media for no kra ye yi ho afrim say ye de jabra ye immune ebetimi aka ye any day anytime nti ye de rubo no kra pani na nya mo kra na ye amamu ye am ya kasa nso ye ho se de ba ye nyina ebesua na ye nyina ye tu ye ho fo na ye abo ye ho ban so ho nti nya mo nko ampo nti ane ye am ye nyina ye ho but opani mami fa fru hono me ye ko se na mebusa se mo health promotion pa no mo chefa was COVID-19 19 de rubo yi ho pa ne sen
afia me da se say a case health promotion. In fact, let's limiting it to this COVID-19. OSHA WHO guidelines now. You will to say them you will teams. Baku case management. Baku surveillance. Baku risk communication, social mobilization and prevention. Baku laboratory. Ina answer na logistics ne honko ne ababa enti teams are WHO for guidelines no recommending here. So about health promotion we are in charge of public education, risk communication and social mobilization, which includes the prevention aspect. Enti eno ena meme leading here will be a friend emergency operations center. Eno na minister chair into subgroups now mabobodi in case management, surveillance and way obiya ni the area, then you bring the whole thing to the EOC. Now EOC a cascade to the coordinator at the presidency. Now or no FPD to the president. So that's our structure. Now sir adiewe because abeye a national pandemic ninti. Now, Information Ministry provided the platform for the health promotion and the other thematic teams, to be able to disseminate the information appropriately and accurately to the very people now as take information. So, the above the line activities, and you can say Information Ministry, tries on beye amayen. Social mobilization here below the line activities. You can't below the line and no community engagement, marketplaces anyway. Now this is what we have done. We are working with the Ministry of Local Government and the Information Services Department. In fact, I led the training for Omu institutions, And study health promotion for what district, any regions, any health directorates, joining disseminating information, In fact, your materials are health promotion and So all said the identity and we play key role in this COVID-19 pandemic
Nti opani na just say how can be say mo case management shamase case management na nkofo bebe ka se nipa num a o mafiri mu no senke ye boy ho ban ya for instance o mo say Nigeria obi anwuye ye ni yi a nkanya de obi a be free mu ba say mo de ama excuse na wanyini e no mo underlining health problems dada nti how effective are you managing wo mo manya corona ni bi dada no say de ba wo mu wu ase ye de no 5 no ba ntem dodo
I think the into the question you should go to the case management lead, which is Dr. Ofori Boadu and now Dr. Kaba. Then when it comes to surveillance, it goes to Dr. Bedusa Kodie and Dr. Franklin Esfedu Bequin. You see, so we are structure now, next time now friend near target
okay.
What's the mechanism? Now I don't want to speculate and I don't want to really wait and see. So that question is the specialist team now which is the case management team
Okay, and I'm messing about Honor Doc, any or Dr. Sarkodie Akasa, near here because Menkofo baby complaining, say, I say, yeah, you do 5. And in any case, Doc, Monamu 2 penny 4. FO, yan lock it down, I are spread because penny 4 no, Sabi, health minister, on your doctor, more doctors are more ground. Into Monamu 2 for FR, a lockdown near Diana. Sierra Leone for yes so many 3 cases pe hwa say lockdown enti again asemwe aba the obia me busa ne say ebra ye lock it down na ye ne kwan so ananke lock it down ntem a enka kofodua de ye akopie mu wa de yi ene ye boase de yi ene kumase de nke bia nke nkoduru ana
afia meda wase the TNA say emergency and outbreak ebe wiase a country bia where they all prepare initially no you prepare ye pa and to share krana ema o mampani nankasa to anamo echo your various some port of entries near treatment centers ema no eba abonten ebe commende. In fact there was some news from I think some London, one of the London radio stations, someone who came to Ghana and not free as or compare to what was happening in Heathrow. Now, I say what Ghana is doing was good. Now, let me tell you something. You see, what you have to know is the incubation period of the virus, is 14 days. So, as a country, you will scan people initially. But unfortunately for us, people came in the way, say, country now. So no one develop symptoms. And you then a hono na then you take action. You who say you confirmed case because or it take 14 days. It take 14 days. And it is obi back. Let's say your case definition. Tinipakono emiti case definition. A case definition we are seeing na obia set up case definition in terms of the public health emergencies. Enti so set let's say unya we a friend saying nipakono emiti that criteria na untimi enye the end detaining no because nipakono show symptoms onye bibia. Almost show symptoms Make me a catch or say, ye detainee or isolate or koko ye test ye bibia. Emma ye answer near the ye momo acronym. There is an isolation center at the airport. Ye you soon in now you prepare your treatment centers, Rich and Tema, at the initial preparation. It ye bibia ye say. Once I will be in that case, then you move to the next level of the preparedness and you move to the response because you have to respond. So at that time, we have to, we have to advise accordingly. Now, so no man penny one opportunity immediately now or take the swift action. And no natural say that is, I'm telling you, that was excellent leadership. Or closely border but answer now be closely border at least about 48 hours for people to prepare. Oh, yes, you were India. Immediately, no man day. So closely border Now people and come the so he took the social and other factors into consideration. Nyamyadum. Oh, you closely borders no yesterday. Your baby be a friend mandatory quarantine. Abino any state efa sanko for we munyina hoka no mo ye 1030 ye di omo kotna hotel enye hotel nkola hotel apapa bi ai wo krom ha ema a doctor for ene ye kan other services security services ni others omo bua ema ye take omo nyina samples ema ye kotesti se ye wie sa we no omo eba se Omanya bino. Omo gusua omo nya treatment ebi ayeden a recover. But omo because say omo so omo ye negative no ye ma 14 days minti. So 14 days and so ye. But they will have to test them again to make sure say yes omo nya bi. Eno meaning say gusua ebe koso by Saturday na omunye we no na omaye by Saturday na time nso no na omaye ni nyina awie health minister ɛkan ɛnɛ sɛ preparations egu akwan mu sɛ bibia yɛsɛ bia ma saa nkɔfoɔ no ne yɛde ɔmo kɔ ɔmo fie mu ne wei bia no ministry no ne Ghana Health Service deɛ bɛyɛ dɛn yɛbɛyɛ nti afia sɛsie before answer na ye close border no ya go a step further ɛsɛ ɔmo a ɛbɛɛ mu no sani ye close border no
first week of March for no
14 days ye be ko ye 14 days ɔmo ye be test ye because so wo ba mo fill form ye friend health declaration form
okay
that health declaration form no o number baby a obi bia ye den ɛwɔ so the CM no kasi ye ne NCA in the Ministry of Communication in a decide juma now ye numbers ye details nti ye nkofo a frefre eno na ye ka contact trace na bi mo so ye phone so de and ye nkofo a frefre san nkofo no ye hwe ba bi wo nti ya set up teams a wo communities ni mu say ya lock it down partial lockdown in Accra and Kumasi teams have been deployed ebi mo so ye den calls to make sure say obia mu at that time no from 14th or 13th answer na when president closely we say no we are following them and we are going to test them
okay
so all these events na ye say sa nyoma we mu nyina to avoid bibia ye friend say community spread na impokra no se nyame mfasa ma se nya community spread na say ye minimize no enti enu enti ne ye den ye sa adwuma in fact enu so wankasa efia yen system almost wa ewo kroma na nkasa no yes Ghana Health Service systems no egusu a eye adwuma I mean, obviously, the testing and other things like this, the contact tracing was actually ongoing. Answer you take measures we say. Because remember, I said, Nanko so Abba Konimu almost right enyebi. It's now see a busa almost say, why a fear our team and Kofua buying to contact with you, anyone konaba. So that exercise was also ongoing before the lockdown, 2 weeks lockdown in Ebaye.
Okay.
And see, Ejuma dear, Ghana Health Service, all the sectorial, multi-sectorial agencies now, omo abekanya hundi juma no. If yeah, Juma. Na meaning said the end will justify no.
Okay.
And to support the media, we is very key member or stakeholder of no. So we thank you. I know say your guys, some are frontliners and other things, they are chasing us everywhere we are going, they are following us anyway. Into that make us say, some way, Sudan ye de bema obia, ejuma obia ye bia ho hia. Enti moma ye nyina asoman in one as one Ghana. In a united front, yamwani to say area we say afin free or my
yo. Doc, and you remember me now as a pa no nuano majuma moye ne aforba mobo ede asumo my CVS who at the same time. Edamasi.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a baby. Dr. Da Costa Abuaje, Director of Health Promotion and in charge of risk communication. COVID-19 where you ma woman and Ghana Health Service and nutrition command.
Okay, FM 101.7.